Hello and welcome to Power BI Service Masterclass. So most Power BI learners stop after building reports in Power BI Desktop. But what happens next? How do you share those reports with your team, ensuring security and schedule refresh are working fine? That is where Power BI Service comes in. If you want to make your reports accessible to end users or manage permissions or automatic schedule refreshes, then learning Power BI Services is must. Right? This is how you will share your reports in Power BI Service. So my name is Teja and I am a certified Power BI data analyst with over 11 years of experience in Power BI and data analytics. Why to learn Power BI Service? Imagine you built a beautiful report in Power BI Desktop, but your team can't see it because that is available in your desktop. The data isn't updating and you have no way to control access. That's why learning Power BI Service is essential for every Power BI professional. What will be covered in this course? In this course, you will learn everything about Power BI Service practically, including Power BI publishing reports from Power BI Desktop to Service, managing workspaces and apps, security and access control using row-level security, object-level security, and Azure Active Directory integration, automating data refreshes and gateway setup, sharing reports via Teams, SharePoint and web, and many more. So we can also see like advanced features like CI/CD deployment pipelines, incremental refresh, and PowerShell commandlets, and many more. So I have created a cheat sheet for this course. Right, I have divided into 6 sections, and we have more than 40 plus topics, right, which we are going to cover in this course. So section 1, introduction. Section 2, reports, dashboards, and apps. Section 3, gateways and schedule refresh. Section 4, security in Power BI Service. Section 5, sharing options in Power BI Service. Right, and finally section 6 is advanced features in Power BI Service like incremental refresh, data flows, CI/CD pipelines with deployment pipelines, and PowerShell commandlets, many more. By the end of this course, you will be able to publish, share, and manage reports or schedule refresh, everything like a pro. Okay, ensuring your Power BI solutions are efficient, secure, and accessible. Who is this course for? This course is designed for almost anybody can take this course, like Power BI users and analysts, business intelligence professionals, data analysts and managers, CEOs, CFOs, and decision makers, job seekers, and aspiring BI professionals, like whoever is preparing for Power BI related roles and interviews, they also can take this course. So if you are ready to take your Power BI skills to next level, enroll now and let's master Power BI services together. Thank you, and I will see you inside the course.